Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel Modern and Divine Homes, and this is Dr. Jaskiran. Guys, today I'll show you my garden. We should be very close to nature, and everyone should grow garden in our home. There are many plants in my garden. I am very fond of gardening, as I have tulsi leaf, tulsi plant. This is green grass. This is meathi neem. This is also called kadi patta, and birds are coming out of this. This is very beautiful, and this is acacia palm. These are certain flowering plants. This is snake plant. These are also snake plant. This is purple. Snake plant is known to provide 24/7 oxygen. So I think we all should grow plants more and more at home, so that we can have more and more oxygen, and we can reduce the level of pollutants in our home. you know Being close to nature is very revitalizing, and it is being very refreshing, since we get up early in the morning and nourish that beautiful plants. This is mainly I love these plants. I consider them as my own children, so that is why I on and on try to keep them nourished, and try to keep them motivated also, in order to by giving them more nurturing, by giving them more love, by pouring water, by pouring water day by day. And in the summers you can pour water on daily basis, because much of the water is evaporated by the heat of the sun. But in winters you can skip 1 or 2 days for giving water to plants, and thereby you can keep them nourished, and grow to the fullest. And they won't get discouraged by that. And being close to nature is also very emphasizing, as you can get rid of the anxiety of the day, and by gardening, by planting more and more trees, by planting more and more plants and the sapling at your home. Try to keep on plant more and more trees, especially if you bother about how to plant and where to plant. Then try to plant try to plant the plants on your birthdays, on your anniversaries, so that you can have much plants at your home after a whole year. So that is why thereby you can maintain the greenery at your home, and thereby you can maintain your garden also. And so this is being close to nature is being close to God. If you are close to nature, then consider yourself as you are being close to God. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Keep on growing more and more trees. It won't cost you nothing, but it can give you more and more oxygen, and thereby get rid you of the pollutants.